here in Egypt, bro?
Egypt?
Yeah, what you doing here?
زي الفل أنا تمام.
Huh?
Yeah. أنت منين؟
You from the Netherlands?
Yeah.
Hey, hey, bro, you lying to me, man. To me, bro. Try to say he don't mean it, bro. Why would you be in Egypt right now? You ain't Virgil, bro. Be honest, you ain't Virgil Van Dijk.
Virgil van Dijk. Look.
They made my heart pound. I didn't know you can get so intimate. What time is it? Drone? He quit? Why did he quit? What pressure? Let's go. W Egypt. W Egypt, man. Everybody in the chat spin off W Egypt, man. W Egypt in the chat, man. We showing love to Egypt, man. We turn up to Egypt, bro. I'm having so much fun time in Egypt, and we getting lit, and we turning up. About to hit 48.8. Yalla, Habibi, Kef, Fali, Salama, Alaikum. Boom! 48.8. 48.8. What? How much water? How much water? I give you a band.
Are you having fun?
Yeah. Who are you?
I sing.
You sing? You a singer?
I'm a singer.
Like a cappella?
Like,
Can you sing something now?
Can you sing something? Yeah, can you sing something right now?
Something right now.
Sing him the song. Sing him the song.
Titaki with Turi, Basili with Shufi, Ehsasi Mektum, Fihaxis Lubi, Bitluri Kon, Nemnektiru bin Food, Hamrif Lahzabi Food, Wad Hobema Wood.
Okay.
You think I got it?
That's Arabic or what was that? German?
Arabic.
That's Arabic?
Arabic like an English accent.
Arabic, okay. And that's your song?
That's my song.
Okay. That was different. Yeah. Okay, that wasn't bad. That was. What was you saying though?
He's a boat driver.